Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who dreams of hitting the open road with style and a splash of color, you're going to love what we've got today. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on the most exciting camper reviews. Today, we're diving into the bright and bold 2026 Colorful Trike Camper Vibrant. Lightweight rig that's redefining fun travel. This isn't just a camper, it's a celebration of design. The exterior bursts with playful energy, covered in a mix of bright colors and sleek curves. It's the kind of camper that doesn't just catch your eye, it keeps your attention. People literally stop and smile when it passes by. It's compact, yes, but far from ordinary. The colorful finish isn't just paint, it's a statement of freedom, creativity, and living life on your own terms. Its three-wheel design offers fantastic balance and maneuverability, especially for those who want something nimble yet safe. It's perfect for zipping through tight urban spaces or enjoying scenic back roads. Setup is quick and painless, ideal for spontaneous weekend adventures or relaxed campsite living. Inside, the camper continues its joyful theme with bold cushions, colorful wall panels, and multi-purpose furniture. A hidden sleeping bunk folds out into a cozy bed. A slide-out table converts the space into a mini workstation or dining nook. And even with the small footprint, there's clever vertical storage to keep everything neat and organized. Quick question, would you pick a colorful camper like this? Or would you go for a more minimalist style? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know. Now let's talk about functionality. It comes with rooftop solar panels, a lithium battery system, enough off-grid power for lighting, USB ports, and a mini refrigerator. The tiny kitchen features a single burner stove, fresh and gray water tanks, and a collapsible sinkhole within reach and super easy to use. Even the camper's fenders, trim and rims are painted to match the color theme, adding to its uniform aesthetic. Designed for joy, and every detail reflects that mission. The LED strip lighting on the interior and exterior adds that extra layer of charm. During nighttime stops, it's insulated for all-season use in moderate climates, includes a ceiling vent fan, and even offers an optional attachable shade canopy for lounging outdoors. Despite its cheerful appearance, the Colorful Trike Camper doesn't skimp on quality materials or essential travel features, giving you performance with personality. Starting at just $9,500, this camper is one of the most affordable and visually appealing rigs on the market. For creators, digital nomads, or anyone who loves the road and hates being boring, it's a total win. Thanks for watching, friends. Smash that like button if this camper made you smile. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more one-of-a-kind camper reviews. Till next time, travel smart, travel bright.